it's currently 11:46 a.m. and I'm gonna give my final goodbye speech. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Eva and I am the host of BeautyBarn. So today I'm here to try my best not to get emotional. But yeah, it's been quite a journey and I know it's gonna be quite a surprise for some of you. Maybe not. I am going to not be around here as a host, and it really pinches my heart, but I don't know, I read somewhere that every beautiful thing has to come to an end, and I think this all taking care of all the channel and being the host of Beauty Barn has been a really beautiful journey for me. 4 years, guys, 4 years I've been blabbering talking about skincare, vlogging. Hey guys, it's Eva here. Hey Skin Beans, welcome back to our channel's vlog.
What's up everyone, Eva here.
Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel.
See you guys next time.
It's been quite a journey for me, and to be really honest, I've learned so much, not only myself but from you guys, man. You guys are amazing. Every single time we come up with videos, every single time we upload videos, you're always there to support. You guys has been the greatest and the biggest cheerleader for us, so thank you so much. It's not that we are going to shut our YouTube vlog or we're gonna stop posting videos, but it's just that for this season I feel like it's time for me to just step back, take a break, and focus maybe more on myself, on my family, and taking a media break. So yeah, it's just a goodbye note for now. I might be back, I might not be back, I can't guarantee, but for this season I'm gonna take my leave. But for the last time, thank you so much everyone. Make sure to like this video like I always say, subscribe to our channel, and also please help Beauty Barn grow this channel. Okay guys, so she's the one I was talking about. Her name is Chuchu. Well, I'm gonna let her introduce herself, so yeah, please do the honors.
Hi guys, I am Chumei aka Chuchu Pom. So I'll be your new host from now on. So yeah, you'll get to know me slowly.
Yes, and she is amazing. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, she is smart, she's beautiful, she's radiant, and she's here to give in all. Let me tell you that.
A lot about skincare.
Yes, a lot about skincare, healthcare, lifestyle, you name it, and she will. So how are you feeling?
Overall, I'm feeling excited, honestly, and a little nervous to start this journey as a host. So let's see. But right now, I'm feeling excited. So excited. Super, super excited.
Let me tell you, they're amazing. They will always have their back, and they're amazing. Yeah, they're amazing. One word to describe them is they're amazing. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna do well. I'm really excited to have Chuchu take over this, and I really truly trust her. She's gonna do great. She's gonna just lay this whole thing. So I don't doubt her at all.
Let's slay the skincare journey together.
Yes. So here, officially handing over this entire channel to Chuchu.
Yay!
Let's go.
Excited. I hope you all be good to me.
They will be, and
Yes.
they should be. All right, I'm really excited for you,
Me
Chuchu,
too, me too.
and
I'm so excited.
I just pray and hope that everything goes well. And of course, there's so much to learn from you as well. So, guys, please stay tuned and be subscribed to our channel and pour that love she deserves.